Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to change the country or region directly in the iPhone App Store. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to open your account settings. Next, tap on your name or Apple ID. You might be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. And then, in the account settings, tap on Country or Region. Select the new country or region you want to change to from the list. Review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree in the top right corner. Enter your payment information and billing address for the new country or region. Make sure to use a valid payment method for that region. Finally, tap Next to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country or region directly in the iPhone App Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!